Welcome to your Apptree dashboard. Today I'm going to show you how to create, edit, and publish an application from your dashboard. So, to create an app, it's actually very simple. You just click on Create a New Application, and the first app is automatically generated with default blocks added to your interface. You can then edit these blocks or add new ones directly from the editor. On the right side, a list of available blocks appear, and you can add any of them to any page. The block selection happens right here, and from there you can just adjust the layout. Once I've added the blocks I want, I can repeat the process on all the pages of my app, and these pages are generated on the left side in the page structure panel. You can also create events, and all of your events are listed here in the dashboard. You can create articles too, and they basically work like blog posts. Simply add a title, then enter the full contents, and once you're satisfied with your list of events or your list of articles, you can just go back to the content page, add a newsfeed block or an event calendar block, and place it on any page. User management also happens directly in the dashboard. You just have to go to the Users tab to see your users list. Of course, it's a demo app by default. There are no users at the moment. Basically, I can create user and user groups and organize all of my users based on the structure that I want. It means that I can assign users to group, and I will use them to filter, for example, or groups with tags for specific roles. You can also manage the comment sections, as we have a comment block where users of your app can leave messages freely, and moderation tools are available in this precise tab. Push notifications are also managed from the dashboard, so you just have to go to the push notification tab and create your notification. Here, you just have to enter a title, a subtitle, and a message for your notification, as well as the URL that links to your specific page in your app or outside of it. You can choose to send it right away or to schedule it later, and you can schedule it based on an event or specific time to optimize open rates depending on the day and the hour. In the final tab, I can just go to the settings and manage all the legal pages of my app. That means the terms of use and the privacy policy, just by adding the links that match your policies. By default, the privacy policy is Apptree's, which you're free to keep, of course. And you can also choose the available languages of your app, and they're all listed here. Then you can fully customize the design of your app. So here, for example, I can change the name. I can choose the name Fit Coach, as it's a coaching app, and the app icon is what will appear in the App Store. I can also choose the app theme, light mode or dark mode, which changes the background and switches the text to white. I can also set the main color of the app, which updates certain blocks, like button, to match the chosen color. Another option here, I can enable or disable all the users in my app. And of course, I can manage the app's publication status right from the dashboard. All analytics are available in this section here, and you'll see the full app usage in real time or by user segment. You can also control how analytics are displayed. You can even add your user flow analysis to better understand how to optimize your app page by page. And of course, once you're happy with the results, you can just click on preview the app by clicking on this button right here, and this will allow you to publish it on the web, and it will also give you a live version of your app ready to be launched on the App Store and the Google Play Store. If you want to actually publish it on the store, just click on publish here, and a form will appear in front of you. You can select the app icon again, which can be changed later as well, and enter the app title, a short description, a long description, and keywords that will help you appear in the store research. All the publication steps are handled by our team, so you don't need to worry about anything. And of course, you can edit the content after the app is published. Any update you make will be reflected instantly without needing to republish your app. So that's it for the demo. Of course, feel free to reach out if you need more help or contact us directly. And we very much look forward to seeing your app on Apptree. See you very soon. Bye-bye.